Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how I have been doing my face grooming at this time of pandemic. We all have been very hesitant to go out to the salon to get rid of our facial hair. So not just pandemic, this has been my face grooming routine for past 3 years now. I have literally stopped going to the salon or calling my parlor didi to get my face grooming at least done, my eyebrow tweezing or my facial hair removal. I hope this video also turns out helpful for you to how to do it on your own at home. So I will be using an eyebrow tweezer like this, and second thing I'll be using an eyebrow razor which you can get of any brand. This is by the brand Let's Shave. You can get this from the website. This is a very good quality eyebrow razor. So first thing first, wash your face, pat it dry because you need dry skin to do all this. Secondly, I will be cleaning both my tools with some alcohol based liquid. I'm using Dr. Spirit 99% alcohol, and I'm cleaning all my tools because you don't want any bacteria or germs to get in contact with your skin. So I have zoomed you guys in a little so that you can clearly see what I'm doing. First I'm using this spoolie and combing up my eyebrows so that I can see where are the extra growth. I'll just be getting rid of the extra growth from my eyebrow. I won't be touching my complete eyebrow. I hope you guys can see all the extra growth around here. So I'll be getting rid of that. So guys, next I'll be using this eyebrow razor. Now you need to keep two things in mind. Do not go over your active acne. You will hurt yourself. Do not go over in one place twice, thrice, 4 times. You will definitely get razor bumps. If your razor is too old, you're going to get that razor bump. Do not use any razor for more than 2 to 3 times or maybe just 4 times. I toss them away after I use them for 2 to 3 times or maximum 4 times. So I'll show you. I'll just hold my hair up like this, and I'll hold my razor at an angular position, and I'll start. I hope you can see that. And I'll start shaving my face. I hope you can see a lot of hair is coming off. Just tuck your skin a little and I'll go over my upper lips as well as my forehead. Be really careful when you're near your eyebrow. Do not cut your eyebrow, guys. So I'm done with my face shaving and eyebrow tweezing. I'll quickly go and wash off my face and come back. So I've washed my face, I've patted dry. Now what I will be doing to calm the irritation and sensation of my skin, because it has gone through a lot, I have deeply exfoliated. Shaving your face deeply exfoliates your skin. It takes off the first layer of dead skin off your face along with the hair. So it deeply exfoliates your skin. So to calm that, I'll be taking an ice cube and go over my face. Do not place ice cube at one place for more than 5 seconds. Now next, go over with your toner. I am using Dr. Sheth's Gulab and Glycolic Toner. Next up, I will be going in with my moisturizer to deeply moisturize my skin. I am using Pond's Superlight Gel here. This is an oil-free moisturizer. So guys, there are few things I really need to say. I really need to burst this myth about shaving, that shaving gives you thicker hair, like your hair grows back thicker. This is not the case at all. I have been doing it for past 3 years. If this had been the case, I would have gotten stubble like men. So this is not the case. Second thing, it deeply exfoliates your skin. You get very much clearer skin after you shave your face. Your skincare products get deeply absorbed after shaving your face. Your makeup application goes on very smooth on your skin. This shaving might be a little more sensitive for existing skin conditions, so be very careful when you go for shaving option. So guys, I hope you liked my video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.